Good morning, kindergarten. This is Alexander here, and I'll be teaching you your reading lesson today. Today, for Making Meaning, we are learning to answer questions about key details and main events. Your success criteria, what you'll be able to do at the end of this lesson, is you'll be able to identify a problem in a story. The story we're going to be listening to today is called Maisie's Pool. Maisie's Pool, excuse me. And this book is written by Lucy Cousins. So Lucy Cousins is the author. She's the person who wrote the book, but she's also the illustrator. So she drew the pictures. So in this story, Maisie's Pool, it's about two friends named Maisie and Tallulah, and they enjoy playing together in their pool on a hot day. This right here is Maisie. She's a mouse. And this is Tallulah. Tallulah is a duck. As I read this story, I'll stop and have you pause so you can think about some of the things that's going on in the story. Maisie's Pool. And here's our title page, Maisie's Pool by Lucy Cousins. Maisie and Tallulah are feeling hot. Maisie has an idea. She looks in her shed. Students, a shed is a small building that is used for storing things. Maisie has an idea. She looks in her shed. And finds the wading pool. A wading pool is a small, shallow swimming pool. And finds the wading pool. Maisie blows it up. Puff, puff, puff. Tallulah finds the pool with the water. What do you think Maisie might be thinking? And why do you think that? What do you think she might be thinking? Do you think maybe she thinks, oh, it's hot. It's hot. I need a way to cool down. What would be a good way to cool down? And she came up with the idea of getting a pool. Tallulah fills the pool up with water. Maisie and Tallulah put on their swimsuits. Students, swimsuits are clothes that are worn for swimming, and they're both wearing swimsuits. Tallulah has a pink one on, and Maisie is wearing a striped bathing suit. Maisie and Tallulah put on their swimsuit. Ready, set. Oh no, the wading pool has a hole in it. Oh boy, and there's the hole. Maisie mends the hole with some tape. That's better. Students, mends means fixes. So there she did. She goes. She got the tape and she mended. She mends the pool. She fixed it. Maisie mends the hole with some tape. That's much better. Then along comes Eddie in his swimming trunks. Students, swimming trunks are shorts that are worn for swimming. And the elephant is wearing his trunks, which is kind of funny because he's an elephant and he has a what? A trunk. So his nose is a trunk, but also his swimming shorts that you would wear are also called trunks. Then along comes Eddie in his swimming trunks. What do you think will happen next? Think for a moment. What do you think will happen next? And sits in the pool. Oh, Eddie, there's no room for Maisie and Tallulah. But Eddie gives Macy and Tallulah a shower. Now everyone is cool. The end. Students, on this page, Macy and Tallulah have some problems with wading in the pool. Remember, there was the hole in the pool? So one problem is that there's a hole in the pool, right? What are some other problems that they might have in this story? Think for a moment. There's a hole, it gets mended and fixed, right? But then who comes along? Eddie. And what happens when Eddie comes along? Is that a problem? That Eddie jumped in the pool? It was a problem because what happened? Yes, all the water splashed out of it. How can Tallulah and Macy keep cool if all the water is gone? That would be a problem. But it turned out to be okay because Eddie was able to sprinkle water on them. So everybody was able to get cooled off. Okay, students, we're going to be talking more about Macy's pool in our next lesson. Make sure to click the video underneath to hear about our Being a Reader next lesson next. See you soon.